being a young father, what it means to be a father in South Africa, because of course the demographics are not the same. But
I got traumatized. I'll not get so like I want to like I get like a happy. So I want to celebrate like fee like mo pay. I got so like every girl nanya go tamo coffee na lorong ampe coffee le nan routine tao the play. Yeah, I wanna know there's someone lorong vele o bona re nkaya ka mo pay. There's someone lorong vele o a believe mon na o lorong wa tshepo like ngaba successful one day. Kita kufenda otro vele pregnant. Wa no khona diet mama zale no mpuditse. So ko motsa beyang no. So disappointed. Like how am I gonna tell my mom or like give me some to and mama zala na mpotso like monak kinaga second born kinaga like last born kinaga ulira o mafelo nya le nne ke thabile ke re tlist mama zala ka ba lengwana re tlo khona Dlalisa nyana.
hello, everybody, and welcome to our podcast. My name is Lefenze Masha, and I am your host. We go by the name of Dlalisa Moyeni. Well, we might be the new kids on the block, but hey, we see your subscriptions and your comments and your suggestions, and we'd like to say thank you so much, guys. We really do appreciate it. Keep them coming so that we can hear, your perspective or see your perspective as a parent or even a young boy or just an individual, who's interested in building the community that we are also building here, a safe space for boys to allow them to be able to speak out, and talk about their issues, whatever it might be. Remember, we're all about building the boy child holistically. We believe in saying that it's so much better to build a boy child from Isalomunyani than to have to repair broken men or, help them at their older age. So this is what we are all about. Of course, we are still in the month of June. It is Mental Health Awareness Month for June, but rather, we're going to be talking health holistically for men this month as well. And this is why we've got also the guests that we have featured for this month. And today we are throwing it forward to Father's Day. It's coming up quite soon, and we are joined in studio by fathers, a young father and an older father, who are going to be taking us through their journey as to say, how has that been and what fathering is from a perspective of a man in South Africa, in Pretoria, a young man, an older man, what that looks like, and for us to understand them better and perhaps even extend a bit of grace to them as it's needed. I think when you do better. But without any further ado, help me welcome my guests today. I am here with Koketso. Koketso, hello and welcome.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Lovely to see you. Welcome, Skosi, welcome, Bongani. Second time around, episode number what? We're on episode 4.
Yes. Thank you for having me, Lefenze.
It's an absolute pleasure.
I'm glad to be here, to be back again.
Lovely.
Thank you so much.
And we're going to unpack fathering, guys, fatherhood, being a young father, what it means to be a father in South Africa, because of course the demographics are not the same. But before we do that, we would love to get to know you a little bit more, Koki, because like I said, Skosi's been here before. We've gotten his background, Ramotseba, just a little bit more. But we want to know what your upbringing was like just before we met you at Dlalisa. Tell us a little bit about how you grew up and where you grew up.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So I was born in Pretoria but raised in Limpopo, Hampahlele, Leboagomo.
Okay.
Yeah. So nna ke hoditse ke mdala le mkhekolo, so ke batswadi ba ka. So le nna bana le batswadi ba 3, and the first born, second born and the third born, like second born ke ena mama zalaka.
Okay.
So ke tsene sekolo ko Dithabaneng primary school. I was a stage goer. Ke hulile ke rata bolo vele ko mahaena ba itsora vele o lokwa bolo phelele bolo. So primary ke bile sharp, but then like it looked to me difficult when I come get grade 6 and 7 because like next to the Tomo Zana go stage lo nyana tsa snack Tomo journal du kru tsa snacks ke Tomo tsela ba mo di chelete ding. So go grade 7 I met this other teacher, like never meet some mem Mashood. So teacher role always like na phela yelo le nna go class, but then next putsonga maybe ana one change, but then like nampo ntshalo tsa ronze lo reng ke a dira de lo nga di mokhahle. So like ho ira or like December vele ha ifihla wa faila nna ke le 1 the whole school go grade 7.
Oh no.
Okay, before January like ifihla sonto go repeat vele go Dithabane primary school wa tsana call from batho ba go Teflop ba botsa time gore like ba mpone ke dlala somewhere, then ba nya go ntseya so that ke khona dlala le bona ko academy ngwa. Okay, time a dumela gore ke ona bothata and o dumesa le gore like sala ba utlwa go radio batho ba bolela ba football or like ke batho ba nnete batho le gore mvele nga ba successful and di players tse dintsi tse le gore di tlhela go di TV di tla from matsong a bona. So like papa ka ba nthela gore okay a ona gore ba re ha ile so ona gore ba rena ko mohana, then ba ntseya ba ngisa Teflop ka tsena ko academy a repeat grade 7 vele kwa.
What a saving grace. You two season, eh?
Yeah, too much man. Because never talk like ili one.
Exactly,
Yeah,
my
so,
point.
ha ke fihla ko Teflop ka repeat grade 7 ka pasa pila. Ntho nka reng ne ke etse ko Teflop like ke bone yona twist a little bit, but then no ba le like azanga ba le coach wa rena azanga ba le dad no rutela botlhoko because of like o tna ile tsa le one. Yona e re twisted because of ne re khona dalla di tournament tse holo, ne re khona dalla ko University of Limpopo di tournament tsa tshwana le bo Danono like no that ne di khona tswala TV ko ha ene ba khona re ba ntse so ba mpone ko TV late ba mphone re
We're not celebrity mos.
Yeah.
Le no phela.
I can see that. No really lebeletse ko TV. So
Yeah.
after that day ke mo ke tluileng ko Teflop because of lo tsa bo di hangading ka tla mo Pitori ka tla nna le batswadi ba ka ke mo ke thomile go disa ke batswadi ba ka and batswadi ba ka ba ngire already se ke tswile tsileng o already se ke butsuitse ka motlhalone ke potso re ke a itse o so yeah ke mo ke re like fihla mo Mamelodi ka tsena sekolo sengwe sa ka mo toropong ba re ke CPC Christian Progressive College.
Okay.
So like sekolo se la all my teacher na le nka mola na le ma teacher la reng are like are close ke ma teacher la re ke makhuwa Mozambicans ba bang ke ma Nigeria, so like
Okay,
let's
yes.
close to that extent or like lady question di mpala ka English I can ask us Pedro like hello so ebiang cause naga English
So you
ampa.
couldn't relate
Yeah.
to my teacher how?
Yeah, because go let's very Limpopo
Yeah.
vela like English na go ela rena ne sa rate ke mal na mang.
Okay.
So ne se mal na mang a lo reng wa e bolela vela. So like give a big problem mo lo ntse tsa gela ka mo CPC because of but next one ke Africans and azanga ira Africans in my life.
There
So I have-
wasn't an option ya gore o ka ira Venek
No.
go that school.
No.
Okay.
Like veneke ne ke ira Africans English core Africans ne le master gore ke ira because ne ke ira Africans English and Spade I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So ish that laba problem le ma teacher a maths core like na bolela English and I like ne ke sa understand it the way because ne ke sa tlhola bolela English. Oh. So like okay like I feel like term 1 to term 3 vele and it ke first time ke ira grade 8 term 4 lona vele ba mphaisa ka condone ya bona ya ko private school. Abo so ka re ke tsa condone la ke re ke na go tloa ko private school ke ya ko public school because of le dizaka ne di se sharp ka mo le
Yeah.
ke a bona le nka repeat still one about the same thing cause like at least nka be ke itse something yana ngwa ho motle. So ka re ke tsa die report ke re ke isa ko Repafile there's no way ya gore ka isa ko grade 9 di report ke ya gore wena if o sa tsena ko CPC ke motho yang ko grade 9 ka yona report I don't know
Okay.
like ba irile bjang but if report e sontso re ise ko grade 9 wena ko re sontso o buele morago back to
Grade
CPC
8.
so that you
Oh, the
can
only way
do
for
grade
you
9.
to go to grade 9
Yeah.
is to go back to the school
That's
so
true,
tlango son.
so ka bona gore ka mo batswadi ba bana tšhelete ka mo le na ka datentse selo isu selo ke grade 9 ke sa itse selo sa ko grade 8. So then ka bolela mamazala mpotsa gore okay bano ha le soko go tswira ba decision ke how I have no choice. I want to go boela tropong mo le reng ne ke se happy fela. So ngole ke tsena mo Repafile ka ke repeat grade 8 I have no choice but okay sharp ka tsena Repafile ka repeat grade 8 ke mo ke kire le bitso le ba mpitsang Boschka ka lona.
Boschka.
Yeah. So like ke tsa ke fihla fela ko Repafile.
Okay.
Ane ko traumatize banyana me. I net ne ke tsore ke tleva so like I want banyane like like I get like ba happy so I want to tell her ke no ke fihla ka mo pedi ya ka tloela lo tsa mo so like every girl na nya go tla mo coffee na lo reng ampe coffee le na nrute di tawa di black.
So you were a different breed.
Yeah.
You were very different compared to Bafana
Yeah, cause like
Bakas.
ne ke mo pedi tu
Yeah.
ma pedi ne ba
O
sa
bolela Sepedi
tloela.
sela sa go tsenella.
Ke sa khone
Ke a
bua. Yeah.
utlwisisa.
Abo. So ka ra ke tsana Repafile vela ka thoma vele ka like ka di introduce ko ra dilo ntsa tso tshwanetsa banyana ke fetso ka ra banyana ka di introduce ko lona tso tshwanetsa di crew. Then I think grade 8 June July I started my own crew ya di-cotton ya batho ba tsamaya ka maphanga dithipa di eng. So like ka thoma crew ya ke le re ne ke bitsa CCIB abo. So
What did that stand for?
Christian what ne emetseng ke
CCIB.
lebetse somewhere there but boys ko mafelong nna ke lebetse
Okay, yeah.
so like ne le corruption wa tota na mo ke lebetse so yeah ka ke thoma crew ela so ne re le batho le re vele re se tlhola sa rena la taba like na ya ke tsore ke eng ntho e neng ke rang gore like ke rate dilo to that extent gore ke rai bana ba batho ke tlhaba bana ba batho because ka re phofile like I was a problem go le principal go phofile na tlo botsa gore like bale pita le ko ke le pita le boss gore like ne re problem ko sekolong gore ne re sa tlele gore ne re sa nya go itse gore re tsana lona sekolo re tsana lona sekela gore ntho ngwe re nya go ira yona re ira yona no and ne re sa nagano re ka o sa ne molato o tla tla eng ka se tla re sa ne
And you didn't care gore motho mongwe e mo filisa ya.
yeah ile next na ta gore mang o feel bang next sa etseni ile so yeah so creela rena ne le tsela tsa gore ne re gruma vele bana ba banyane ne rata bana ba banyane ba le ngore obvious ba ba hola ono re tlutswa ka rena ke nna santse bo utlweng ka rena so ne re gruma bana ko ne re ba tsetele moyo ko ne re ba tsetele a best spirit le like le bona ba tshwana le rena ka dipelo ko ne re nona ko site ngwe ba re ko MK so like ko MK no ka se fete moroba fela so ba sa witse e sa ro tsela ke piso ro tsela chelete ro tsela something.
And at that point le tshwere dithipa
re tshwere dithipa di teng dipitsa tsa teng ke sa tsone yeah tshwere di weapons tshwere tse ba le fela gore mal ne re nkhala ka madi a ke tso maphodisa re ne ke le how many times and then my family ya ka like le molato le moana zanga what because like nna ne ke le wise nyana ai a ira la nyana tse snack tse lo re ke a itse re ka sa ndika re dira la uthata like ke make sure like a ke bonale mara ke ba teng yeah so like maphodisa vela re nyakile too much to that extent gore sala ba bitsa le go sgela for nna le pita re lwele ba fana bang ko ntle ko strate so yeah na yeah fela go ile so until grade 10 ke mo ke meeting yeah I think grade 11 yeah grade 11 ke mo ke meeting mem tumisang then I introduce mo foundation e ba bitsa Dlalisa Moyeni so like vele date vele ke tsore ne le modimo re no leng cause like nne ne ke le motho re le vela ke nne ko class always ke phala ke le ko ntle ke
wa tla sekolo mara o teng ka mtlase
ya la sekolo mara ke teng ke phala ka bankile ke ra metlholotlholo so date azanga tswa ko classing azanga ira sela and moya ka lo no le fase lo ba fase so like mem mafiri a fitla are ona motho mo so onrometse mo lena and ke tsia wena o mathomo obo are gone foundation ngwe like is teaching young boys to become better men se e tlo ruta re like o be bang go phelo go change phelo ba o tlo le lwana tsa snacks tlo tlhaba ka dithipa tlo tshwara dipotlo tlo tshwara ding ka re ke mem ke interested a ke itse gore ke eng tlo ring ke re ke be interested
that led you to that yeah
because na next na tawa lo re motho o tlo mpotsa ke change phelo because no sna motho lo re mvele from mo ko holang wa ntlha le setso re like mfanaka ska ira so next na boot next na malome batho ba lo re di family tsa ka lo re ke tla di family le ba separate and then go butsa like mdala ka ona le bana ba banyana fela so ke nna first born
school some first boy
store se ke nna ke lo re santse ke dire lo tselo bonna tselo santse ke dire like ke dire le family ke nna like ba tshepetse nna I think nka no re bya obo so mema firi witsa ntlhalosetsa fela are so ka re okay mem like I would like to join e be like singing join okay are okay sharp then mem I remember no tlota Thursday me every Thursday la attend a meeting ko classing so le so na kweso okay sha fena have a flop I bile ka tswa da ka ile ba di se bile next da ke makala ele Thursday I think another Thursday ba re memo fitlhile ko class lena ba Dlalisa re se le form again ka re I won't disappoint mem ma feel cause vele ona dile special vele on krele ke stool ka re ke tsama go utlwa re play dintsha plus vile no bora ko sekolo re se na ntori ira tsama ka fihla ka da like mem sal ne ke feeling ka like ke sna nyana so cause now it's ne mtholo re vele ba itse sekolo ngola ke patela ke di boss tsela boss tsa rena go like le go rapediwa ke rena ba le go re nga re nyaki go re feeling ka re feta bana bo botlhe mo sekolo
because I have
ene kana go re sa re mo grade 10 11 are so fitlile ko matric so like I fitla ka da ke no kra ba banya ba fana ba banyane nyana a ke re ba lo re ba tshwana le nna ka pace like ke nna motho lo re nka reng ne ke le corrupt fela ka classing ela tsa tsile so like ka ya nna go mronyana like ka utlwela me ma di introduce a fetso di introduce a re di introduce a introduce Dlalisa tana tlhalosa re Dlalisa ke ntho bjang a tlhalosa fetso tlhalosa ke mem abalalo tse lo reng abala like kam mem na abala nga teng like ne ke feeling ka like yeah, I wanna know there's someone who learn vele o bona hore nka ya kae ka bophelo. There's someone who learn vele o a believer monna o learn wa tshepa hore like nka ba successful one day. There's someone who learn vele wa believe hore re ka tsamaya ka di-BM tse loreng ke phela ke ntse ke di nagana, but then
Ha o di
cause ke di
bone
bone
mo
and
matlhong a hao.
batho ba ke di bonang ba tsamaya ka tsone ke batho ba loreng ba corrupted, like ba kry-ile zaka e loreng ka dilo tse snacks ka zaka madi kore motho o loreng o successful ka siaka o successful ka zaka madi a gona motho o loreng successful vana ore ke doctor or ke lawyera or ke lepodisa ba loreng nna ke a itse ke sure ka ba so ne ke no bala that not amos mo wa tswana batho ba le successful ke batho ba loreng vela ba ira botsotsi a gona motho o loreng ba successful ka sekolo so mema a tla mfa a new idea or koketso so ntse o tsena segela wa ke a believer mo lena e le baleng bible so ke rile ke tswa ka dako tlase ela ka di bala like taitete mo ya ko no lo fase no fast, but then ke rile ke tswa ka di bala ka re mara mem what if like mem o robetse ke modimo ka fitla ka botsa mazala pona motshwane motso tlile ko sekolong sa rena o re boditse gore like gone like o re boditse ka mokgwa santse re goleng ka teng ka mokgwa santse re changeng ka teng ka mokgwa le goreng maphelo le goreng re nyako a phela le goreng re a phela mo kasi o nyako a change ka teng and even like ke interested ko mosadi ole so ke tla theta each and every session a gae a re okay mem ka re sha.
So what I'm seeing here, Koketso, is that you didn't have a mentor growing up.
Yes.
And this is what you lacked because you're saying majita e leng gore a tsamaya ka di-BM dikoloi tse e leng gore le wena wa di galla, you wish to be successful but you know gore success ya bona e tlile bjang e tlile via it's blood money. So what was the relationship because did you have that relationship le mdala? Were you able to sit down le mdala o bolele le ena le magogo? Did you have that relation with him?
No, like azanka ba dai nako gore ke khono bola le bona because of ke tlile ko Limpopo ne ke sale ne ke sale mo grade 7 no so like azanka ba chance gore nka thoma ka communicate le bona about my success about dilo tse baya cause of like ke batho ba le gore vele like go jarateng azanka ba la mtho le gore go ba le matric like ba bone ka nna matric like ba bone ka nna ko jarateng so like mdala le mama le magogo azanka ba la chance le ba butsisa like next sale ngwana thata nako tse ke re grade 7 so and next sale Limpopo bo like azanka ba la chance ba butsisa or like ha yo le so kira bjang ke tlo ba successful maybe one day le bana zanga ba nga advise like wana mfana go tlo jaza ka tsana school mfana ka o ire so mo pelong mfana ka at the age so make sure o passitse so o ka passa so at least o tlo ba di options tse so like zanga ba mtholo re nga advise ka bophelo ka opportunity like lo tlo re like the opportunity but mo lo re ba o bona go go tsoka ya mo o tlo ba sharp so le no ba that not mama ngwana go ba le phodisa hole mama ngwana go ba engeng a hola so like le no ba tsodi ba like mdala le magogo a kana relationship e le gore ke khono bola le bona ke mtholo re mvela khono bola le tsini tshiki bolela ka mo wa ra hapelo wa bo so like a krile motho motho le memtumisa o mpolella already mtholo re ke a dinagana wa bo so like o khono o nagana gore like ke nana ke bolela ke renga mpelo so I bolele like
so it makes it easier for you to be able to express it. Let me come to you Bongani to perhaps highlight the importance of, because you've been at this age, you've been at this stage, and at some point, maybe there's some similarities to your stories, but maybe not completely, but there is. How important is it for a young boy to have mentorship?
It's important for boys to have mentors. There's a saying in isiZulu, it says, indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. So it's very important that you get guidance and advice from someone who has walked the journey before. So hence we overemphasize to say a boy child needs to be mentored or needs to be helped to share the journey of life with.
Certainly. But also talking about how he also touched on, that there are people that he's looking up to, so-called mentors, right? Who are driving these beautiful cars that you yourself desire to drive. But you know that this person doesn't have a 9 to 5, right? And there's a way in which he's making money. And it's not clean. What are the expectations that I think society puts on men? Because I think maybe there's that expectation that you must drive this certain type of a car. As a father, this is expected for you to do for your children. As a friend, as Mjita, there's this type of expectation as well. This is how you must carry yourself. This is how you must dress. What are those unnecessary, expectations that society also has on men that needs to be cut down to size?
Kokasi, what you can see, because remember we don't choose the environment that we find ourselves in.
True.
You find yourself staying in Kasi, honale culture in Kokasi, honale things that are happening in Kokasi. Because of you're in that environment, you don't have a choice. You are exposed to this thing. Hence, you see young boys, the only thing that they see, I'm just saying, Mutu S. Cookers has said, or driver BMW, Mercedes Benz, Mara, he knows or he doesn't have a 9 to 5. It's a dirty money or whatever. That's why we overemphasize the importance of saying there should be positive role models. Because what happens now, Kore, good role model, and they are there, Kokas, I can tell you. It's just that everybody only this desire of saying, I want to get out of this environment. And Hardswille, they don't want to go back or they don't want to give back. Hence, you'll remain. I mean, the clever Kokas, because for them, this is their wood, and then they need to influence things and the narrative you're collocating. But we are pleading all the time to say, positive role model has to come up, or they need to come back from the townships where they grow from, so that young people can have options. You know, it does not have to be or now. Young people are surrounded and they only see bad people other than good people.
Of course,
Yeah.
of course. And, you know, I want to go back a little bit too, because for me, as I'm sitting here, I see a before and after, right? Koketso go na le ko e leng gore o batla go fitlha ko teng.
Yeah.
And you've succeeded. You've come back. You've come back to build the community. You're doing it now through Dlalisa in many ways, giving back to the community, bursaries in schools, you know, through the football club, Dlalisa, you know, the food drive as well. You've come back to give back to the community. You've come back to support the community. He's looking as a young man to say, I want to get there. I want to be successful like Dabongs. Mara hona le ko wena le wena o thomileng ko teng. Hona le mo ileng gore le wena nkile wa kgoboga mo teng. Mo ileng gore people have not seen or they do not know about. Let's track it back to the year 2010, where you mentioned that you checked yourself in. I don't know if it was yourself or someone as a support system helped you to check you into a psychiatric place so that you can be sound as you felt that you were going through depression. Tell us about that time.
Yeah, look, as you grow, life happens. And more than anything, you need to build the resilience of dealing with life challenges. Now, in 2010, I was at a point in my life where whatever that I was going through, I didn't have a mechanism to deal with the pressure. And then hence, I was diagnosed with depression. So I did not check myself in. Obviously, my wife had to, I lost it, I collapsed in a way like I couldn't. The only way that they were supposed to help me, they took me to hospital, and hospital they can pick up Ornomoto. He's not physically injured, but he's got a mental
okay.
problem.
Sure.
Then I was then referred to the so-called mental hospital. Yeah, that's how I got in. Yeah, but it was the being overwhelmed or having a lot of challenges that you didn't have a response mechanism of dealing with them, both personal and also work-wise and business-wise. Yeah.
And how was that journey like? Because, I mean, you have to now deal with yourself. You are here. You cannot run away from it. Not to necessarily say you were running away from it, but it came to a point where it set you down to have to face it. This is what you and I are going through, or this is what you are going through, Bongani, and you have to deal with it. How was that? Was that like?
First of all, I get as a man, sharp. What else you know very well that you're not sharp. So the first step is the step of acceptance, to say, I am sick and I need help. It took me a bit of some time, for a week or so, because remember, whole Sena, you are under serious sedation. You know, you are sleeping most of the time, you are being medicated. And then when you start to come to your senses, or I don't kirang mo ake half, because that's the first thing that you will say.
Yes.
Because on all perception or but or ke half, I
Osena
mean, mental,
mahlanya
you know,
ka
ke
mona.
mahlanyeng, no, you know. And then the first step of recovery was to say, look, there's a reason why I'm here. Kenale problem, I've been diagnosed kenale depression. Now, it can be acceptable, and then get the necessary help in the institution. That's the first step of getting out. So, the first, it starts with accepting. To
Sure.
say, I'm here, let me go through the process that is there, or a program that is designed to deal with people like me.
What was the mirror like? Because you had to face these things. You had to, I don't know if you sat down with a psychologist to actually speak of what you're going through. And remember, we're also making awareness. It's Mental Men's Month to make awareness of mental health.
Yeah.
What was that like, having to sit with yourself and, yes, you've accepted it, but going through, speaking about the things that you went through? Did you break down? Did you, what was that feeling like?
Yeah, obviously there was a serious breakdown, but then psychiatrists and lead psychologists, they help you unpack to say what happened for you to be here. And you can understand, or as men, we don't talk. We like to appear strong and then pretend as if we are fine. But then psychology and psychologists will want to dive into that mental state of yours to actually get you to talk, to say, why do you think you are here? What happened? Then already in your mind, you can begin now to pinpoint what was my experience or what happened before I got here. Then I get to open up to say, okay, I'm here because of this. A lot of things, I had a plan. Dlalisa didn't go according to plan, hence I lost it. I mean, the ability of saying the plan did not work. You were being hard on yourself to say, at the end of the day, we are human beings, and also being overwhelmed by the life of business, career life. It was a lot. Hence, I couldn't cope. And then the only way they had to deal with me, they had to put me in an institution so that they can calm my nervous system and my emotions so that they can be regulated to be able to face the world again.
And indeed, you did face the world again.
Most definitely. And I even said to myself, remember, depression or mental problem, there's a study that says once you are being diagnosed with that, you are going to be a patient for life. And then now I can proudly say, I mean, it's been, 15 years? When I get out in that institution, I said to myself, because remember, you learn a lot of things. You learn how to cope, to deal with pressure and all of those things. You have mechanisms. And most of the mechanisms that they have, give medication. Now, generally, I don't like medication.
I think generally we all don't like medication.
And I said to myself, I don't want to be living at the antidepressant. And then that's the decision I made when I got out of there, to say, you know what, I'm going to learn to regulate my emotions. I'm going to learn to deal with situations and have a proper response to them. And I tell you, since then, I have never been on antidepressant, because I've learned, or I've developed a coping mechanism that I will be able to say, when I'm faced with challenges, when I'm faced with problems, I can identify a problem, come up with possible solutions. If it didn't work, you go to plan B.
Sure.
But I said to myself, I don't want to be dependent on medication. Yeah.
What I also want to come to, Bongani, here is to say that a lot of people would say, like you were saying,
Yeah.
But you're a testament to say that this has helped me.
Yeah.
Opening up has helped me. Speaking out has helped me. What would you say to a young boy? He's right here, actually, Goketso. To say that speaking actually does help. Let me not take the words out of your mouth, but what would be, if you were to give a short testament or short report back to young boys or a younger Bongani also, to say that point in time, when it looked like things were breaking, they actually came together. Marawena no Saibu, they actually came back together, but you didn't see it at that point. What would you say to young boys?
I think, more than anything else, is to be truthful to yourself and be honest. How's the sharp or sharp? Don't try to put up a facade to say, I'm fine. If you've been hurt, you're hurt. Go through the emotions of being hurt. Cry if you have to. Confide to someone and say, I've got a problem, here's my problem, I need help. Because it's an important step towards everything else. But men or young boys, what we do, we bottle things up. They become so much until now, our body or our system can't contain them, hence we explode. That's why you end up now being depressed or overly stressed and all of those things. But the first step in anything is to say, or if I'm going through something, you have to say, don't try to be a man on everything else. We are human beings. Say, I get sharp, I need help.
I like that statement.
And that's the first step to dealing with
feeling.
issues. Yeah.
Let me come to a point where now you became a single father.
Okay.
I don't know for how long, a
Yeah.
period of, how many years was it?
My first wife passed on in 2012, so it happened for like 3 years, 2.5
About
years.
2.5 years or
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
Take us through that journey. You are a father to a young girl
Yeah,
whose mom has just passed away.
yeah,
You are going through the emotions.
Yeah.
She's also going through the emotions. Perhaps you don't even know how to even translate those emotions to her to say, this is what is happening.
Yeah.
You've just come out of a place where you were just, being helped to deal with your emotions.
Yeah.
And you got a big shock of your life where your wife passes on. Take us through that and how you fathered your daughter at that point in time.
When that happens, to be honest with you, that alone, losing a wife, somebody you meant to spend the rest of your life with, it's an enough setback to even take you back. My wife passed on, and it started to ring a week later. Because why is it locationing or black people who you are surrounded. You've got families, you've got cousins, friends are saying we are fine. But
as soon as
Sunday
they leave,
or Saturday they leave. And then you are left with the reality of, how do I face life now without this person? And my daughter was 3 at the time. And I tell you, there was a time, I think we buried my late wife on Saturday. I think on Monday, I slept maybe for 3 days without having the energy and the power to wake up. Because I felt like, what's the reason for living? Because the person that I was looking forward to spend the rest of my life with, that's a little thing, what now? The only thing that gave me courage, because I had to encourage myself. Remember, I made a vow to say, 1, I'm not going to go back to depression hospital.
yes.
I need a reason to wake up. I didn't have a reason myself because I felt like I can't face life without my wife at the time. But the thing that made me to wake up and made me to come to my senses, I said, if I don't do it for myself, I need to do it for my daughter. Because if I don't wake up and man up and become a father, who's going to father this child? And with my own experience, knowing of growing up without a father, now I'm going to make this thing worse for my daughter now because she has lost her mother. Now she has to lose the father. Then her existence alone gave me the courage to say, let me give it another try at this thing called life. So that was my motivation to say, let's try again, let's test ourselves, and then move to the next chapter of the thing called life.
And how was that, you and your daughter trying to find, the tune now, because it's a different dance. Her mom is late, it's just you and her. Perhaps there were some of the things that you left to her. She would attend to her doing her hair. You wouldn't even see her she has a new hairstyle, Well, she hadn't started her period then. Mara, there were certain things, the type of outfits, if she has to go to a party, a themed party and all of that. How did you deal with that as a father?
Hey, that was a bit interesting, Lenny, to tell you the truth. Because remember my need and my desire to become a father. Because I've made a decision to say, I'm going to be a father, and I'm going to be a present father.
Yeah.
But I want to go through the experience.
And you could have easily
I
done
could have easily
that.
that.
Yes.
Because remember, after I lost my wife, because I was still young, and then there was a suggestion to say, okay, at some point you're going to marry again. You're going to move on in life. You are a man. We don't expect you to raise a child. So the only logical thing, give us this child. My in-laws will say, no,
Yes.
you will come
Utamona
visit
as and when
when.
you want to.
But I refused. I said, no, I can't. Happy, this is the only memory that I have
Of my wife.
of my wife. So if you are taking it away, you're going to destroy me even further. I understand it is not easy, but I'm willing to go through the experience of raising a child on my own, as a man, to raise
A girl child at that.
A girl child. So, and I don't regret. It was the best decision of my life.
Oh, wow.
Challenges were there. I mean, you have to think about it. Now, you don't have to bath. Ngwana, so then I had to learn. I mean, I was staying with my daughter. I had to make sure that in the morning, at the time I was working at an institution, I had to make sure that I wake up in the morning, I bath her, and then before I go to work, I drop her to school. And then I come back, pick her up, and then I must make sure that she eats. I must cook for her. You know, it was a very interesting journey. I enjoyed every moment. I don't have regrets. Then, obviously, there was a lot of support from both families, my family and my in-laws. You know, the relief was there. Got the weekends, but hey, no. I mean, I don't want to say I was a musician. I loved music. I was a church boy. So weekend was the only time that I get to live
breathe.
A bit, you know. So I would get relief. Either I would take my daughter, visit her grandmother, either on my side or on their side. Then I get to go attend the concert, the festival. I go to church, I go to practice, do music, you know. But it was a very interesting journey. I don't regret it at all. It was quite
interesting, and it gave you time to bond.
Definitely.
With your daughter.
I mean, my daughter, she, you know, there was a time, like nearly madam. You know, as we, you know, whenever I go, I have to be with her. So now occupy a front seat. And then, like, for an example, I mean, like everybody who I give a lift, let's say if it's a woman, I'm the woman in this guy's life, you know. But even when I made a decision of moving on with my life, remarrying, the only most important consideration was her, because I said, I don't want to create a lie. More to one side, so I'm coming with a baggage, not a baggage per se, but I'm
with
saying,
my daughter.
Somebody had to understand, well, hey, when I get married to this guy, it means there's two of them. You know, and then what was important was to make sure that when I find a partner, I find somebody who's going to love my daughter unconditionally. And that was the prerequisite. And then I could see I even said to myself, why is it sometimes people want a little sharp in such a way? Or, hey, why is it? As long as I'm a mother who can raise my daughter, not sharp. And then, by the grace of God, I mean, I saw, then I could tell my current wife now, more than anything, loved my daughter. I mean, sometimes I would get jealous. Hey, now, you know. So, but it was very interesting.
Very interesting, very interesting, Bongani. And I'd love to come to you, Koketso, now, because we know that you're also a young father. And I would love to hear and understand the perspective of a young father. Before we get to that, when did you find out that you're going to be a father? And how was that for you?
I was doing grade 11. And already, my son was already, I introduced to Dlalisa. Like you. So, like me and mama ngwana ne re se sure about about pregnancy or like pregnant only after 3 months. And what do you decided like or like ne re ne go ira a wrong decision or like re bolaya ngwana
To abort the baby,
yeah. So like motho tsa mela I think petla tse 3 or 4 if I'm not mistaken ba tsamba mo transfer ba mo tsoro ngwana already sa hudile a hospital sa go kai ngwana sa hudile a hospital sa go kai so like nako tse vela like aya ko hospital ba mo tsoro like pregnant vela I thought pregnancy test like ne ke tswile mama don't wanna lie. I was so scared like into my mental like how am I going to tell my parents or like
of course I mean you're a kid yourself.
Yeah, and then like into learning in is because of like mama zalaka o tlhalentsha mpotso re ko ketso na ra like na a renya gore o tsetsile ngwana ka na renya gore o be like o lwale or o irile tse snacks relating re se batswadi bao. So like mama zala nna nana lo mpotsa sometimes then ne ba lo re nna ke no ba ke bile grade nyana ka setlhalwanyana so ampotso if wa irahala like ntama to me irileng gore like go ke I wanna know your girlfriend
okay
so like yeah okay cause ena o itse a nya go mpona mo strato ke re me ba wa mmere go mpona ke ra up and down le banyana ba different ke re nyana tse snacks so ka re okay mama nna nga se khona but then a ke itse ke tla zama so one day vele ai ka mtsia degen ka
ke tla zama o tlisetsa yena
ka re mama zale a shumo tholo re vele ke na no re nka nna lena a re tlo pro tshwaretse but then like for no I can yeah I'm tholo re vele nka ke jola lena ke so like okay ara kala re lithu ara botsa like okay if ile so agere re ya a re nna ke nyake ngwana ka but then he ngwana tlile a re bolai but then like a ke nyake ngwana ka mo o ska ira ngwana go
no ka re mama how wa bo
yeah like a ke nyake ngwana ka mo and ha tlile ngwana kopela ska mola ska such a thing or like le go ready abortion ding cause o tlile ke thatwa modimo
yeah
so ke itse ke fenda o tlo velo pregnant wa no khona diet mama zale no mpuditse so ko mmotsa byang no tlo ba disappointed like how am I gonna tell my mom or like ke mitse motho mo ene mama zala ka nampotso like ngwana ke na ka second born ke I mean ke na like last born ke o direla o mafello nya le nne ke thabile ke re at least mama zala ka ba le ngwana re tlo khona dlalisa nya e seng for nna or ke be le ngwana so like I was so scared and ke nana lo re like mane ka ana ngwana ke ritse mane ka ngwana pele so like into lo re neding heta tse lo re batswadi ba ka go mahaeng ba tlo reng ke ritse mane ka ngwana pele and
di tshwitsa ka di tlo reng
tshwitsa ka dina bana so like community tlo re ya khala re mmona tsele na itse ya re mmone fela
and how did you deal with those emotions because you are in grade 11 at that time and your girlfriend Nairangen was she in
grade
school
12
she was in
okay grade 12 so like na ngwala di exams tsa fela tsa mo grade 12 same time a tsamaya Tembisa for 3 months.
How did you deal with it emotionally? How did she deal with it? Did you guys talk about it? Or so I mean of course you've already told us or at some point
Yeah.
what were the emotions between the two of you guys?
Okay, so with ampoto ko ke happen na clinic and clinic ba re ya vele ke pregnant kan cause ne rena hana re se shobo so like kar ban ro ira bjang cause nna ke nyake ngwana ke mo di cause nna ke nyake ngwana se no like no one situation go high ina lo like kanyana these days ya go tla itsa sa tsona mathomo and okay ko ke zele no bona ke nyake ngwana o tlo tlhokomela ke mangwe bona like ke na batswadi mtsedi go nna mahaeng and a butol re dina le bana and wa bona wena sa tsana sekolo so like it was a problem for ngwana so like I no decision hele so re ira bjang cause ko na mtholo re mvele o carry something and like decision lo re ngwana o tletse nna ke tlo support I can't say over ngwana I can't say keep ngwana cause of like ke na la future ha go pele o ka no kra maybe wena o sanya ke ngwana for your future so like at this other okay na go ke za na ntho ke nyo ke rang gore like ke montse ka okay if o nyo go montse is fine cause a ona re bana ko thibela gore ska ntsa ngwana after have zo fitla ngwana di ntlaba e banga re wena o mpuditse na ka utlwela so like a ka khona bolotsa batswadi ba gore like hape nna ke sentse na batswadi ba ka ba itsitse gore ke na le ngwana already a se tsa le teng
ngwana se tsa fitlhile so ha tsanka go tla molato
from that family because of family lo re mvela ngro ite like family tsa khasi ona batho ba lo re mvela family di tswana ba le bangwe lo re nga ba mind ona le bangwe ba mind like gore santse di se molato o sentse so like nna motho a emeletseng ke mamazala a ileng ka family ya ka daku ke irile mistake a fitla o tsare and then kan well sa tse molato so ka daba botore or re sa tisa molato is because of batho ba gola ba teng motho mogolo ke mang ke abuti fela na abuti ke ena motho le rona santse a tlwile abuti ya maleo ke ena motho le rona santse a tlwile ka da a e fitlha ko hae re bona ngwana so ngwana o le boditse na because batho nna ba sa itse selo na ba sa itse le gore mamazala ke mmoditse gore a ka mmotsa kore like le nna ne ba sa nkitse I can say that.
Did you share this with any of your friends? Ho na le chomi o mmoditseng hore braya ka hape ho so?
Yeah, a bona le chomi tsa ke ne ke close le tsone ke ba boditse gore ba fit hape nna ngwana go o pregnant so wa fit.
Advice di ring.
So it was like nna chomi tsa ke batho le gore vele ke a ba feta the most so like ke o mogolo mo bona a se batho le gore vele ngare ba ka mfa di-advice tsa loreng maybe o moane o nna le ngwana so like go na le chomi engwe ya ka entle ke as chomi ya ke cousin e la ka e na le ngwana but then ngwana ha like a se motho le gore wa mo tlhokomela sa le ke mmona maybe I think 4 years or 5 years back ana le ena so like a se motho le gore vele nka mo yena ka fitla ka mmotsa ka re jo bjano ga ile se re ira bjang cause a ke nagane gore tlo mfa ntho le gore ke a need cause of yena already o ira ntho le gore a ke inyake ha ntse nako e ya ko pele so yeah barking abuti ya male ba pala ko tla ko jarateng a pala ko ba botsa gore like ko ke so happy o irile so ne le problem e holo thata because like that's like ke botsa mamazala ka gore like ke na le ngwana like I think ne le Thursday and malebo na o ka nna le 3 days a fetsa o fihla mo Mamelodi because o rile a fetsa bane e thome be holo a tsamaya Tembisa then abo so like nako tsa boa ngwana na le 3 days a lemo ke no tša gore o gape no already ngwana o teng ene ke sure di-romas di o fitlha bjanong gore gape koketso go na le motho mo
tshwanetse gore no phunya siso o ba botse ko jarateng
so ngolo ke ireng ke e sa le no
o tepoletse bona
nna ke motho le gore fela ke bolele ko gae ba itse ko ene ene o itse gore before ne na ba rata mpotsa o sharp ke rata o lebela shengwe ko mo jala teenage pregnancy somewhere that so nna ke rata e lebelela day show ke maybe ke tla kry-a di-experience nyana gore ke mmotse bjang so mo batla ka nang question gore and then wena le show e khane wa e rata so ke rata ro sharp mara ka re ya ke
do you think hona le ntho nice aspect
I don't think hona ntho nice aspect because like sa le ira joke nyana re we ngaro na le ngwana nyana so ka ra mama go nte so then a tswa ko yona so nne ba joke nyana so like na rata le day show pregnancy that every day like ke lebella okay maybe ke gain experience da ite ngonyana like mamola ne ke rile lo tse ro thata like ka tsamaya mne like tatsile le ne tatsile vele nse go motsa kana cause ke tkutlele moyong like ne ke feelang ka re ke imele ya se go tlo fisa so ka irang ka disa tor mo pila o nyaka palakanyana ke obviously ne ke le corrupt nyana o nyaka palakanyana tsama go tla se ka tshara tse itirinya le majita ka tshara palakanyana fe tshara palaka tsena vele go jarate ne sa le ma 7-6 I think o ka re na nya ko so ka ra mo a ka motloela tswe pele tsantse ke mmotsi fatsa ma sa tsena ko jarateng ke sa re ko roomong sa re mama khopeletse atla ka khopele dimelo bona ntong dina go botsa yena I can't face I want to nka mo face like mama tsala ke motlhompa tota that
so you literally switched off the light gore khono mmotsa ditabatse
so that I khono mmotsa
le ska bonana mo matlhong
ska bonana vile so like a timalo bona re go irala ka ra mama pe ke ne ngwana a ra ba pala wa se o re khana ka dala a tse a re ga mama pe ke ne ngwana le motho mosolonso a tswa go roomong a ra bona wa dlala yo a boa a re serious ka re ya ke mama ne ngwana ne ba no nte a go nte len ka ta re go botsa ma ke nnete ke ne go riage and a se nte le gore be ke nyaka like that moment ya 2 minutes like mama tsalang level so ma ke tsa like a bona gore like sometimes like mtsori halla ne ke rata too much because of like that's why like sometimes majita mabaya lo reng a pala go bola le batswadi bona it's because of yona fear yore ke tlo chama mazala ka ke chama mazala mo ai ke tlo misa botlo because always o ankhaleng le tsankhalang ka tsone di a irala bo tsala bana o khala ka banyana fetso khala ka banyana maybe after 3 days o tshwara ke ST or something so ka mo tla re mama pe so mazala ka nna 2 minutes al like ke yona party next na go e bona yona ke yona nthe next nya ke yona like al and ba hal o lala ko rumunya ba bo so ga re ngole ke tswe ke tsamaye ke mshia one because of
you can't handle the situation
like ke lisa mabazala ka it's something else ka emela ka re ke atso a hana re nna mkopolo bolala so like na go tsa o la coffee le nna ba ke a hete emotionally nna immediately ke a tlhaka one tlhaka because wall so a fetsolla mola then I'm potso okay solution again banong ke tshwetse mang time ha ke so motse o itse banong
Sure.
le banong strict
That's another hurdle.
ha bolele banong ha bontate o tsore ha bolele ene banong o strict ke motho le vele khala ntse nkhala vele ha nya ke tsona tse ha nya ke banyana kore vele ha ke tswa tsile ngwa mpotso re bona mo tswile tsileng so time banong ke tsile thata mina go bona okay sharp a ke fetso botsa mmazalona tabe e ka tsamaya ka tswa ka mishi a thoma phone a ke re vele ke must phone la mahaeng e ka kana ra mo plan ke bo ke no bya phone silent mo go tlo seke ke sa fete ene banong ke strateng ene ke no go thara ke me ke tla di bolela ka sana furu ka se bya phone silent ka bya go ntlo ka tswa ka tsama ka nna strateng ka thela ke mo so ha phone la ke fine ya fela ka sa tamana ka tamana ile mmere kwa tsena night a bo furu abo so a gitse ba mmudite through mo phone because vela tama se mtholo renga ka rata go lana mo phone ba mmudite through mo phone furu ba nkera go robetse obvious go roba go ntlo like ke tsene go ntlo
e bila ha ono ro ka tshaba
ke ma 6-7 a ka robala boshubo mbemto ke no nana time a fela gore o fitla re so like furu vela ha tsena ka se ke utla koli ya tsena go utla gate ya buleto ka ke re ke tima le bona ke khupetsa ka lopai mo mo bana ke tlhangana flop mo bana e ka flop e serious e ke tsile ta go stiriko wa tshosa le ha tla bo kore ke motho le reng ha tlola bolalweng ha thoma e tla bolalweng gore tabe teng serious le no ba serious like o ba serious o bona ntse so gore le sonto be serious mo sonto pretend o ba motho mo so ha tsena vela go tare ke tsile like no ke tsile a chibolo one I ira faiso a smile matho go bona smile sa ta yang was smile and then why ke tsile when was smile o dala are papa ngwana wow ke tsile ke na go tsaya mara ke re tla kra mpa mo ke ska tshe ka tshe
papa ngwana
papa ngwana e tsa tswa ya go mara ke go bathroom tare ya khalo go botsa bona ditlamorao tsa teng na ntho re tlo ira ngwana ka re ka so kwatele eno bana ka mkhweleng ka teng
o fihlile setlolo se gona
o fihlile you have to be a dad.
Let's talk about that. Being a dad, what's it like for you? The majority of your friends don't have kids, maybe. Maybe I might be assuming. And there are sacrifices as a parent that need to be made. Are you working currently?
No,
you're not working. So with the money that you get, obviously no you like mariha ho nyake ha diaparo if unwa mmeleke ho nyake ha mmeleke diapers malaria you know all of that. There are sacrifices that need to be made. How have you been making those sacrifices? Ke eng tse leng hore wena o titima tsona? How is it like being a dad? Just tell us about that.
So yeah, I get like next sale mo Dlalisa then ka chifta nyana for a certain period nyana. Ne ke bereka ko mom small working ko company go bitsa GDC electric yo bereka di solar system. So like ne re installa di solar vele mo obo. So like ne re chelete ne ke hola ka beke it was like ne le nyane chelete te ne se buy lo re nka ira lo tsotsohle ka ba so thet ka ba sharp ka ba le change lo re ke ya ka pocket money cost like situation vele ko jarateng ne le khanyana obo. So yeah, sente tse ne ke di granta ne ke economy rela vele each and every week ne ke misisa dilonyana di something nyana but then like ne ke itima dilo tse buy because of like next na diaparo next na di tlhako di ngeng ke rela yena obo. So like si just pansela sfela go ba le problem e holo that cause of like sala bona o lebeletse ngwana ha o bona gore like ba pallwa vele like o palo go mirela you just feel bad and sala bona maybe we like ba tswadi something like sala bona damano ngwampotso re bona sapotala ka bona ka mo tshwara ka mpamanyana it in tlatsa pele that because of like I know like sapotala ka ba tswadi ba mara this o so ntse mpotso lo tsebe because le no wa di bona ke ngwana school like a so bele chelete wa kono bona obvious go le tsengwe obvious ro ka di botsa motho so like
how does it make you feel?
Like it feels bad too much. Like it feels bad because of like I feel like munna santsana support ngwana hai not the parents hai because ke feel ngare ke tlisitse batswadi ba ka a trouble. I can't say ngwana ke trouble but
yes,
then
but more pressure, more finance.
Worst part more lorum finance one very talent it's sharp from Kale from grade 12 and like from grade 12 11 12 finance one and talent is sharp. So it's come a problem vele happy young one. So if like in Filisa come nyana so like em pressure like I have to be successful like no and again or like if you jala di look too like because like ke tshwana like bophelo ke nana bo tshwana motlhare like o ka zwala ka tšeo then ka osane
You
wa tswa le
spring.
big so like ntho engwe le nge tsamaya ka step wabo so like nne ke no ba le pressure like ish ke nyaka go reka le ngwana ka eng so le that no kry maybe ke bone ngwana magazine maybe apere smart ha ke le balawa ke maybe a ke mona apere maratho or something like ke feel bad and like le that then I think ira lo be le jala senyana or ish why nna
Why
maybe
ngwana ka le
why nna
so?
ngwana ka le so why nna sna tsona so sala bon like le mama zala ka ona lo mpono like ke utlwa botlhoka lo tse bite lo re mvele dina lo irala between nna le ngwana
What's the relationship like between you and it's a son, it's a boy, ne?
yeah
What's the relationship like between you and your boy?
yo my relationship is sharp like ratshwana e kore like le batho ba re frostana
Ratshwana.
yeah le batho ba re frost ere ke ngwana o le re mvele o tshwana le nna like ko le re mvele o khethile o rata batho ba bantši like wise man like
That's his name.
yeah nickname
Oh, nickname.
yeah. So like o rata batho ba baya relationship like e sharp ra utlwana wa nkitse ka metsi like wa hola ka mo like and le mekgwa ha ke e bone e tlo tshwana le ya ka but then ke ntho ke tshwetseng yona yo like a ska feta stage se ke fitileng go sone cause like wow man no se sharp like ko like ke nna ko le nna like ke nyaka go tshwara braba ke nyaka mo isa a le feeling and ba no already
Sure.
no se ke bona gore like go tlo ba kholele na van then ke se ke bona gore se tela ha bo mama and then a mama bana lo misa mahaeng dilonyana tse so like nna ke wisang ka re vela ka ba close le nna ke sure like nna ka mo o khona ke nna ke 100% sure mama zala ka se motelo cause already ke a mmona le nna ke a bona ka mkhukolong ke hule ka teng ka feel mama zala go bo so like yena ke sure like ha ka nna ka feel I'm definitely sure ke tuma advisor ko re ke tlo motsa tsa phelo tse lo reng ke fitile re nga tshepo re like fitile da so that's ka fit cause ka mko bona o tlo feta da just boiling so no papa oh so like lo yena banyana I'm definitely
Just
sure
boy.
like dito mo condemn abo so like yeah relationship ya ka la ha e sharp.
And are you part of decision making? Yeah, bophelo ba hae. Do you, because currently you're not working,
Yeah,
and you know
yeah.
sometimes when you're not working, Skosi,
Yes.
it becomes very hard for you to o nyaka go bolela gore no man ngwana maybe nke be re misa multiracial school.
Yes.
Mara ha una chelete. Therefore, you're even afraid to even utter those words. Sort of, how about we do this? Because when you have money, you have the liberty to be able to do a lot of things, right? Are you at this point able to, be part of the decisions tsa bophelo ba ngwana hao?
Yeah, like decision tsa bophelo ba ngwana ka decision e le gore nka re nna ke a ira ne e one fela ya no molata ke misa ko hae ke decision e le gore mfele ya ke ira sometimes e le gore batswadi ba ka without gore bona ba itse gore without eng but then so my decisions tse dintšhi a dire ke dira ka batswadi because of nna ke na tšhelete a ke na access ya gore kgopela se ka rekela ngwana ka di-pampers straight le mo rekeleng diakiso le se ka mo rekela diakisi le mo rekele o le se ka mo rekela mmeleke le mo rekeleng eng wa bo so like lo yana tsa so a selo tse le gore nka di decide each and everything e le gore batswadi ba ka batla ba e tshwere ke a e amogela and a se dilo tse e le gore mfele ke di ratela for ngwana ka a be le tsona nna ka mokgwa ne ke mo plan ne ke planetse gore like ke nyakala bana ka vele a bright future like all like now I wanted to like ke be successful like fetsa wa successful like ke make sure bana ba ka each and every my kids like a fetsa matric ke mfe tšhelete ke mfe business or ke mfe ntlo le kolo so mara thom bophelo ba bo bompšha so that I going to create a legacy sharp then bo botlhe ba be so like that then already sitting paletse because of already sitting na lo ntho mongwe le gore o tlile already mo bophelong ba and like this making tse baya like dira ke batswadi le hahabo like nna ke ba teng because of like sonse ke be teng like I give it them
Financially.
yeah like
But you're
because
there
I have to be
physically
a
for
dad
it, okay.
yeah I have to be a dad something ke motse ko mo kerisa sometimes I can chat ke motse ke mise di molong sometimes ke tla tlo nna le nna sometimes a robala go rumung ya kwa bo so like ke dilo tse ba tso le re mvele ke ba da for yena
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there is a relationship.
yeah
All right. What just lastly as we're closing it off, what is the myth? What are the lies that you want to cut out? Maka ilong hore a teng concerning batho ba bontate, concerning batho ba banna about bana ba bona. Ke maka mafeng a ilong hore wena right now as South Africa is watching you that you would like to take out of our communities to say, guys, this is not true. This is what is being said about men. Mara se nnete. What would you say?
I can see hore like each and every man I think o rata ngwana wa hae a ona monna lo reng ke tla nagana gore like a ka no ira ngwana a molatla unless situation ira or like o latlhe ngwana hao, maybe you were married, or I get like decent maybe you were married to someone o loreng a nyake ngwana hao, or maybe o na le girlfriend o loreng a nyake ngwana, or maybe family ya hao e o botsa gore ngwana o la swareng, but then maybe kwa hao wena o ya ka selo sa gore family ya hao a nyake ngwana ole because of a swa bona. So like I think like motho mongwe le mongwe o rata ngwana hae. I don't think go na le motho le goreng a ka tšhabela ngwana fela unless a ke itse wena maybe o kry-a clever o tlo like di-10 no tolonyana tse so, but I think majita re na le pelo tse pila too much net a re bolele re bolelela ka gare kore le ko rata nka se botse gore ka o rata like ka o rata ke tlo botsa ka mogare like maybe re ka botsa ngwanyana so, but a bona no tshwana le nna like mamazala ka so ke bona gore majita and then a irile nna ke le one definitely sure because nna a kgone o bolela guys, like a kgone o bolela like nna nngwe le ntope maybe setse ke swa ke ela o fela beno ke mo le goreng ke tlo ka amogela gore ya no ke a lwala and ke tlo amogela because of lentantse nka se amogela because of COVID gore mama hape so like that's the only problem le re na le bona. Yeah, so like I want like le nna sala ka tshwara ke nna tsa go tshwana le waste ya yona go tse ke sa thoma ithuta le yana tsa mojole ding, so like that le ntshwereng then ke findile out like hape ke tshwere ke ntho so ere ke jumpile because of like failure sekolong ba ruta ka tsona ke a sa nka botsa motho le tshumeke le one le ka jeko a itse ba tlo itse ka jeko ha ba le ba le YouTube o sala tshwara ka draw a ba itse I'm too personal man wa bona come to learn tsa proba a go bolele ka tsona.
So gents, wrapping it up, guys are nice people. Majita ke batho ba ba sha.
Too much.
The only problem ko horeng
We don't talk. Don't talk.
So from here onwards, because I mean, South Africa is gonna watch this.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to talk.
You're gonna try to talk. Yeah. There is a safe space. There is a place to go to. There's Dlalisa, and I'm pretty sure there are other places as well. But you found a home where you can be able to talk, release the frustration, and live, man, and live. Because just to wrap it up, what would you say to young boys such as Koketso concerning, I mean, he's a young father, being a young dad, who's not financially okay at this point, but it doesn't always mean that things are always going to be like this. What would be your wrapping up words to them?
I think my message, I'm going to say two things. Maybe Kate Omeka, the other, because remember we need to learn from people's experiences. I think from Kokoketso, anybody, any young child or any young boy can learn there's time for everything. You need to become a father, you must become a father at the right time.
Okay.
Because prematurely when we are not ready, it will create situations where young people will go through what Koketso has gone through. I think in order to educate, we must be saying, the message Koketso is saying to say, look, this is who I am, this is what has happened. My advice to you is to say, avoid it. Then the question is going to be asked, how do I avoid it? I mean, things like prevention, condomizing and all that. I'm not an advocate of those things, I'm a church boy. We believe sex before marriage is a sin. But I'm just saying, let's be realistic. We live in the current times.
Exactly.
Young people are sexually active. If there's preventative measures, let's make them aware. Let's educate them, let's inform them so that they can plan better. But also the message, that thing will give Koketso an inspiration to say, look, I've got somebody to live for.
Sure.
I mean, the same as in my situation to say, hey, if I don't pull through, if I don't make it, what about this child?
Exactly.
So there's only now, the chisahalo, I need to make it for my child's sake. So I think that gives an inspiration. And I know Koketso as well, he's determined. We are with him in the program. He is passionate about making it in life and then being a responsible father and then having job security or having a career so that he's able to take care of Ngwanahai and also to take care of himself. Because remember, Renaro Tlhakasi, the backgrounds are they are not advantaging us. So we are forced. You don't have a choice. You have to make it. If you don't make it, you're still going to repeat the cycle. And the cycle is not nice.
Sure.
I mean, he shared his experience, I shared my experience. You don't want your child to go through what we went through. So you'd rather make sure that going forward from your generation, starting to your generation, to people who are coming after you, you make sure that you make it for their sake.
Of course.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for being so open. Like I said when we started, wearing your heart on your sleeve, Koketso, being honest. And I believe that this is going to help so many other young boys to say, you know what, like Kosi was just saying now, I can learn through your experience. I don't have to live it. I can learn hore hui raetse soka koketso. Therefore, I can take care of myself in a much better way. So high five to you, man. You have educated young boys and you're making sure that they don't fall where you fell. And that is the power. That's where the power lies. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we wrap it up for this week's episode. It has been great. Personally, I've learned a lot from the gentlemen that I've sat down with today. Please do let us know what you think. Share in on your comments. Perhaps you can also share your experience as a father, a single father going through it, but you've made it and you're successful today. We'd love to hear from you as well. But from myself, it's until next week, the next episode. Have yourselves a great one, and to God be all the glory. Shap, shap.